Today we're back in Florida, going through the Malibu by Palm Harbor Homes. The Malibu is available to all of our Florida customers statewide. As you can see here in the floor plan, the Malibu is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,800 square foot home with a large living room and very nice kitchen. Note that the floor plan is shown here with the den, but we are showing this model with the optional 3rd bedroom. We are also showing this home with vaulted ceilings. There are options for 8-foot flat ceilings and 9-foot flat ceilings as well. This home can be built as either a manufactured home or a modular home, and it is very customizable. To learn more about the differences in factory-built housing, please see our YouTube video on the differences in factory-built housing. For updated pricing information, please call one of our locations nearest you. Our location information and our phone numbers can be found on our website at familydreamhomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, options, and a few other factors. At Family Dream Homes, we equip this home with an upgraded insulation package and double pane insulated windows. These extra insulation items will save you money every month on your utility bills. It gets hot in Florida, and you will really appreciate the extra insulation we pack into every home here at Family Dream Homes. We have included all electric appliances, water heater, and furnace. This home can also be equipped with an energy-efficient heat pump or gas appliances and furnace depending on your needs. You can also choose a gas water heater, range, or dryer. You also have options for electric, gas, or wood-burning fireplaces in this home. We have also upgraded the trim package in this home, and all of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional. You can select from different siding, shutters, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, tile, backsplash, trim, paints, appliances, and a whole lot more. This manufactured or modular home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Family Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. At Family Dream Homes, we also offer a wide variety of add-ons that you can choose from beyond the home itself. We can add a garage, a deck, screened-in porch, and more to your home project. At Family Dream Homes, we also offer packages that can help you with the installation of your utilities. We offer dozer and site preparation options as well. We can also help with building permits and more. At Family Dream Homes, we can do as much or as little as you need us to do. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at familydreamhomes.com or come by one of our locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. If you are currently renting and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting all of that money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. If you have high utility bills, buying a new energy-efficient manufactured home might just cost you less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on high utility bills and maintenance costs. There are also several tax-saving benefits to owning your home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home. At Family Dream Homes, we are currently expanding rapidly, and we are now servicing 6 states, including Florida, Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri, with more states coming soon. For more information and prices, please call one of our locations nearest you. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at familydreamhomes.com. We hope you have enjoyed this home tour. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more incredible home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home in the comments section below. We love hearing your feedback. To see more great home tours, just click the link on the screen now and let us help you find your dream home at Family Dream Homes. We guarantee the lowest price, we are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family.